Politics brewing over oxygen supply in Delhi. The political face-off has erupted, as we were mentioning earlier as well. Not just Delhi, Maharashtra and Bengal as well have raised the issue of oxygen cylinders. This is a big shortage we're talking about as far as Delhi is concerned. The fact of the matter is Delhi requires oxygen, and the Chief Minister has written to the centre demanding and asking for oxygen at the moment. But in turn, there is politicking that is going on. The central government, Union Minister Piyush Goyal has blamed the state for mishandling the demand side of medical oxygen. He's gone ahead and blamed states, not just one but many, for mishandling the demand side of medical oxygen. The fact of the matter remains is Delhi requires immediate oxygen supply. The Chief Minister has urged the centre must restore Delhi's share of medical oxygen, appealed to increase oxygen supply by 700 metric tons.
आईसीयू बेड्स की खासकर काफ़ी कमी हो गई है। लगभग सारे दिल्ली के आईसीयू बेड्स मिला के 100 से भी कम आईसीयू बेड्स पूरे दिल्ली में बचे हैं। ऑक्सीजन की भी काफ़ी कमी है। कल रात को एक प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल ने हमें बताया कि उनके यहाँ काफ़ी ज़्यादा कमी हो गई थी, जिसकी वजह से त्रासदी होते होते बची।
बिना भेदभाव के देश के हर राज्य की जो ज़रूरतें हैं उसके हिसाब से मैपिंग की जाती है और अलग अलग प्रदेश को जो जरूरत है मेडिकल ऑक्सीजन की, वो किस प्लांट से आएगा, किस जगह से किधर ट्रांसपोर्ट होगा, इसको पहले देश भर के मैप पे राज्य स्तर पे की जाती है और फिर राज्यों को कहा जाता है कि उसको जिला स्तर पर डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे भी मैपिंग करके ऑक्सीजन को उपलब्ध कराया जाए पर्याप्त मात्रा में।
ये जो राजनीति वो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी कर रहे हैं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी इसका सख्त विरोध करती है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी, आपको जब 4 तारीख को पूछा गया था कि आपकी डिमांड कितनी ऑक्सीजन की, आपने कोई रिकॉग्निशन नहीं भेजी, वहां पे कोई चिट्ठी नहीं भेजी कि आपको आईएनएक्स से कितना ऑक्सीजन चाहिए। तब तो आप सोए हुए थे। अब पूरे हिंदुस्तान में जब ऑक्सीजन की डिमांड है और सप्लाई कम है, आप जानबूझ के राजनीति करते हुए केंद्र को बदनाम करने के लिए इस प्रकार का घिनौना खेल खेल रहे हैं।
Anisha Mathur is joining us, reporting from Delhi, bringing our viewers up to speed with very latest. Anisha, politicking aside, the fact of the matter is here is the Chief Minister of the National Capital appealing to the centre for wanting more oxygen, and at this point of time, it's no time for politicking between anybody for that matter. Politicking can wait, and at the moment, if the Chief Minister is asking for more oxygen, the least that the centre could do is supply in time.
Well, Chetty, not just Delhi, but the entire country is reeling under the huge surge of the pandemic. As of 6:30 a.m., according to the Delhi government app regarding hospitals, Delhi government hospitals do not have any empty ICU beds. That is a very, very serious issue that we are facing here. Yesterday, we've seen a lot of statements being made, a lot of politicking being done. But let's come to the fact. As of 6:30 a.m., according to the Delhi government app, no Delhi government has an ICU bed available. Even AIIMS only had 4 beds available as of 6:30 a.m. this morning. Yesterday, the government of India has announced measures to ensure that oxygen supply can be ensured to various states, including restricting use of oxygen by various industries. Only 9 essential industries have been identified which will be allowed to use the oxygen supply that we have, the liquid oxygen supply that we have in the country for the industrial purposes. Otherwise, everything has been repurposed for use of the health industry. Railways is also going to be running a special train to supply oxygen to various states that need it. That has also been announced. But it is a very, very real emergency that this country is going through, and not just in the capital city, but in various states. We are seeing that hospital beds have reduced, ICU beds are not available, ventilators are not available, and this is something that all the center as well as state governments need to come together and work on. And politicking, as you just said, can wait, because this is a real issue that we're facing. In Delhi, DRDO has announced that more 500 bed facilities will be created, but the Delhi government has written to the center saying that hospital beds are urgently needed, ICU beds are urgently needed, especially beds with ventilator facilities and oxygen facilities are very urgently needed. That is because we've seen a huge explosion in COVID numbers in the last few days. And even yesterday, we had more than 25,000 fresh cases and more than 100 deaths. Back to you.
That is true. Hold on right there. Anisha, thanks for getting us that elaborate report.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.